While we weren't having many issues at the moment with the roof, we wanted to get ahead of it and we wanted to get some professional eyes on the roof to see if there was anything going on that they would notice that we wouldn't. And we had gotten the name of Guardian from another contractor professional who we were having doing other work at our house who highly recommended the company. So we chose to reach out to Guardian, and we had a really positive experience with Ron. He came out, he was on time, he was so friendly. He took some time to put together a really thoughtful assessment where there was a whole presentation with his iPad and samples and
Real show and tell.
Show and tell. He sat us down and had a really thorough conversation.
And then they came out basically right away. I think it was like 2 days after we decided to move forward, they were ready to go and they came out and the team was amazing. And the new roof, from what we can see from the ground, looks great. So we loved Guardian. We have already recommended Guardian to anybody who needs a new roof. So yeah, we will continue to recommend Guardian.